The judges are tasting a wide range of cuisine. But can a Kiwi teacher pull off a traditional Asian dish?
I'm cooking lab gai, which is a Thai dish. I learnt it in southern Thailand. My father always said to me that I should follow my bliss, and it took me a long time to work out what exactly that meant. And I'm just thankful that now I realise and I can finally do something that makes me really happy. Kia ora, my name's Brett. Usually I'm in a classroom full of screaming children, but nowadays I'm an aspiring master chef. I live in Christchurch with my wife Tracy and son Jack.
This is coriander, and I'm picking it for my dad so he can cook something.
I've spent years kind of travelling through Asia, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam. Individually, the flavours are quite strange, but when they all go together, it's just a beautiful combination.
He absolutely loves food. He's addicted. Like he's always in the kitchen cooking.
The dishes come together really nicely. It's kind of how I wanted it to look. I just hope they enjoy it.
How you doing, Brett?
Very well, thank you.
What have we got here?
This is lab gai. It's quite simple, subtle. There's a hint of chilli, but you know what it does for me is it takes me straight back to the beach in Thailand, and I hope it does the same for you.
Well, you've had your chance. Now we'll see what the other two have got to say about it.
Convince me that a young guy from New Zealand knows anything about traditional Thai food, which is what this is.
I've travelled quite a lot. I've been to Thailand maybe 12 or 13 times. For me, Thailand is one of those places that it's an explosion of food. The taste, the smells, it's a bit of an assault on the senses, similar to India.
Thanks, Brett.
I have to tell you, it's not good.
Okay.
It's freaking brilliant.
For me, you're a big yes. Love your work.
Give the man an apron.
Yeah. Well done, mate.
Yeah, man, thank you.
Fantastic.
That's awesome, man. Yeah, got through.
Coming up, the day's kookiest contestant.
Look at me, I'm fabulous and gorgeous.
I entered in the secondary schools challenge with a partner. We came out with a gold medal, which was a wonderful achievement. I'm very happy with the dish. Let's just hope the judges like it.
So there's a lot going on here, isn't there? Where's the red wine jus?
It's drizzled over top of the meat.
What's the wow factor in this dish?
The wow factor, I think, is the meat. I think I've cooked it very nicely to medium rare.
Hey, Samantha, that's a pretty good dish, I have to say. In terms of it being a MasterChef dish, it just doesn't have that zing. So it's a no from me, but you have a very bright future.
It's just not quite there yet. You're going to get there. I can tell, so it's a no from me.
The beef needed more seasoning around the outside. We needed to see the sauce that you spoke about. You know, if you tell somebody there's a sauce on there, you've got to see it. It's a good basic dish, but, you know, we're looking for that extra 5% of magic.
No, I thought I'd done really well, but obviously not.
I don't think you've shown us anything clever. You've shown us you can cook scallops really, really well, but that's not enough.
I think you're a great cook, but it's just not there for me, so it's a no from me too.
Back in the kitchen, plenty more budding chefs are cooking up a storm, all hoping to prove their worth to the judges.
I love the adrenaline rush in the kitchen. I love feeding people and the passion that people have in food, and I love being the one to be able to make it and give that passion to them. 4 more.
Hi, I'm Kelly Young. I'm a part-time fitness instructor.
Get those knees up, knees up.
Fitness has always been an important part of my life, and I believe that if you've got a healthy body and a healthy mind, then you can succeed at anything that you want in life. There you go, Mum.
Just so proud and so happy for her to have that opportunity.
My dish today is an eye fillet, and that's been marinated in a port and pepper marinade on a carrot and parsnip minted mash.
How did you want the eye fillet to be cooked?
Medium rare.
That looks pretty good to me. Thanks, Kelly.
Interesting.
Do you really want this?
More than anything.
You want to be a chef?
I've left my job to be a chef.
So who do you cook for usually then?
My flatmate and my family, my partner.
Your family must be really proud of you, are they?
Yeah, my mum's here.
Is she?
Yeah.
Do you want to race out that door and grab her? Is she out there?
Yeah, she's out there. Okay, get it.
So can your little girl cook?
I think my little girl can cook, yes.
Well, I thought your dish was spectacular.
So that's good.
That's a yes from me.
The best ingredient there is passion. Mum, you better do the honours. There you go.
And she's not the only one, as several more aprons are handed out in quick succession.
Well, RJ, I just think it's sensational. So it's an absolute yes from me.
Well, I think you're going to need an apron if you're going to be eating this again.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Oh, I don't believe it.
Daniel, what flavour soufflé have you got for us?
This is a Mars bar chocolate soufflé.
No, get out of here.
Yeah, no, I'm not joking. You've got a Mars bar in there.
And when it comes to winning the judges' hearts, you can't go past chocolate.
Complete 100% yes from me. Well done.
Thank you.
Mars bars. It's a very Glaswegian sort of ingredient, isn't it?
Oh, at least it's not deep fried.
Well, exactly. That is hugely ambitious. It's a real test. And you've passed it with flying colours. It's yes from me. Yeah.
Well done.
Give this man an apron.
Yes. Thank you very much.
But will our judges be able to stomach the next mystery ingredient?
Hey guys, I'm Carlos Garcia and I'm from Christchurch. I love cooking and cooking is my passion. Today I'm cooking with orange juice and cola. I just open the cabinet and I cook with whatever I find. I hope they like it. I made it with lots of passion and love, so something different.
Carlos, tell me why you think you should be MasterChef New Zealand.
Well, look at me. I'm fabulous and gorgeous. So.
What have we got here?
Organic pork fillet. It's been marinated overnight with orange juice and it's been cooked and glazed in cola.
Sorry?
Cola.
Well, that's a first. Thank you.
Thank you.
Pork was tender. I love the bean cake. It has Coca-Cola in it, I keep reminding myself. So I need to make a decision.
Yes, you do.
I do.
Por favor.
Por favor.
It's okay. That's one for the big folks.
But for some contestants, there's a lot more at stake than just good food.
My name's Carmen McGregor and I'm from Napier. My father died yesterday and his last words to me were to come up here and kick butt. So I've got my whole family at home egging me on, and so today is for him as much as it is for me. A lot of pride, a lot of honour in here for me today. More than just passion for good food, there's a little bit more at stake for me today, excuse me.
Hi, Carmen.
Hello.
What's on the plate here?
Tenderloin of venison, and we've got a lovely porcini and flat mushroom risotto.
No, it's a slightly chalky risotto. I'd want a better risotto than that. And the sauce is just a bit too sour. I'm sorry. Thanks.
Thank you.
I I do tend to agree with Ray that sauce is, as you put it, real kick in the butt, and it's taking over everything on the plate. Well, I think it's a great effort.
Thank you.
Well done.
Beautifully cooked venison. Nice and crusty on the outside, soft in the middle. Come, we've had a lot of really nervous people in here today.
Mm-hmm.
You're particularly emotional.
Yeah.
Are you having a bit of a rough day?
My father died yesterday, so down in Hawke's Bay, and the last thing he said to me was, "You'll be right, baby, you're pissing." So I had to come today, and I'm disappointed because I can do it better, and just try and hold it together because he really wanted me to come up and give it a shot, and I feel like I've let him down a little bit because I know the risotto's not very good today.
Listen, you're the bravest woman in this country today. He'd be absolutely proud of you. You've had a really rough day and been really distracted, and I think I can speak for the other two judges and let you down gently. I'm afraid you're not good enough to come through. But let me tell you, he's looking down and smiling because you did a brilliant job today.
He'd be very proud.
I did so much better.
You're a good cook.